Exercise 4.4. Question number 1. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real root exists, find them. So the first one is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. So 2x square is exercise number 4.4. First one is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. So first of all we will find the value of d. So what is d? D equal to b square minus 4ac. That is equal to b is here minus 3. So minus 3 square minus 4 into a is 2, c is 5. So this will give us square of minus 3 is 9. 9 minus 8 into 5, that is 9 minus 40 equal to minus 31, and that is less than 0. Therefore we can say that therefore there are no real roots. There are no real roots, and therefore we cannot find any solution though. So this will end here. Now second part, 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. So here also we'll find the value of d. D equal to b square minus 4ac. Now what is b? B is the coefficient of x, that is minus 4 root 3. So square of that minus 4 into a. What is a? A is the coefficient of x square, so 3 into the constant, that is c, so 4. So this will give us equal to square of minus 4 is 16. 16 into 3 square root square of root 3 is 3. So it will become 16 into 3, 48, minus 4 into 3 is 12. 12 into 4 is 48. 48 minus 48, that will be equal to 0. Therefore, since d equal to 0, therefore there are two identical real roots. So this is our second part. Now let us go in third part. Now third part, 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. So here we will find the value of d. D equal to b square minus 4ac equal to b is minus 6. So minus 6 square minus 4 into a is 2, c is 3. So this will give us 36 minus this 8 into 3 minus 24. So this will give us 12, and 12 is greater than 0. Therefore x will be equal to, now we can use quadratic formula, x equal to minus b plus minus square root of d over 2a. So this will give us x equal to minus b. B is minus 6. So minus 6 plus minus square root of 12 over 2a. A is 2. So 2 into 2. So this will give us equal to 6 plus minus square root of 12 can be written as 4 into 3. So this will become 2 root 3 over 4. And on simplification we will get x equal to, therefore x equal to, both numerator and denominator can be divided by 2. So this becomes 3 plus minus root 3 over 2. So this is our question number 1. In question number 1, second part, we will have to find the roots also. So the value of the root is given by formula for the x equal to minus b plus minus square root of d over 2a. So equal to x equal to, here value of b is minus 4 root 3. So it will be minus of that will be 4 root 3 plus minus, so but d is 0, so over 2a. A is here 3, so 2 into 3. So on solving this one we will get x equal to this 4 and 2 will be cancelled out, and this root 3, so we can write this as x equal to 2 by root 3, because root 3 and 3 will cancel. Root 3 can be this 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. So we will get x equal to 2 by root 3 and again 2 by root 3. Why? Because there are 2 here, plus and minus, but plus 0 and minus 0 are the same, so we will have two identical roots. So this is the question number 1, second part. Question number 2, exercise 4.4. Find the values of k for the following equations such that they have two equal roots. 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. So here we have 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. We know that we have equal roots only when d equal to 0. So here for equal roots, d equal to 0. We will find the value of d. What is d? B square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac equal to 0. Therefore, what is b? Our k. K square minus 4 into a. A is 2 and c is 3. So we will get k square equal to this much. So we will get k square 8 into 3 is 24. K square minus 24 equal to 0. This will imply k square equal to 24. Therefore, k equal to plus minus root 24, and root 24 can be written as 6 into 4 plus minus. So we'll get k equal to square root of 4 is 2. So plus minus 2 root 6. So if k is either 2 root 6 or minus 2 root 6, we'll get equal roots. Second part, kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. In this also we have to find the value of k for which there will be equal roots. So what we'll do is, first of all we'll rewrite this in standard form. So this can be written as kx into x, kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. Now let us find the value of d here. D equal to b square minus 4ac. So d will be equal to, b is minus 2k, so minus 2k whole square minus 4 into k into 6 equal to, now for equal roots we must have, let us first simplify this one. This becomes 4k square minus 24k. For equal roots, for equal real roots, d should be equal to 0. Therefore 4k square minus 24k equal to 0. Now we'll, from this both we can take out 4k common, so we'll get here k minus 6 equal to 0. Now this implies k equal to 0 or k equal to 6. Now but k equal to 0 is not possible. Why is not possible? Because if k equal to 0, then the coefficient x square will be also 0. Therefore rejecting k equal to 0. Rejecting k equal to 0. Why? Because coefficient of x square cannot be 0. Cannot be 0. Therefore, what we can say is that therefore k equal to 6. So this is the answer of question number 2. Size 4.4, question number 3. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. So let us do question number third one. So question number 3. First of all, we will draw a rough sketch of the rectangular mango grove. So suppose the breadth is x meters, then the length will be double of that, is 2x meters. What is the area? Area is 800 meters square. So this is the area. I will write this in word form. Let, if possible, because we do not know whether it is possible or not, let if possible, breadth of the rectangular mango grove equal to x meters. In this be x meters. Therefore, what is the length? Let if possible, breadth of the rectangular mango grove equal to x meters. So length will be equal to 2x meters. Now since A equal to 800 meters square, A stands for area, therefore we'll get, we know that area of a rectangle is L into B, so 2x into x equal to 800. So this will give us x square equal to 400. And now let us write in standard form, x square minus 400 equal to 0. So here we'll find the value of d equal to b square minus 4ac. So that is equal to, b is the coefficient of x, but x is not here, so b will be 0. 0 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is minus 400. So this will give us d equal to 0 square is 0, minus and minus plus 4 into 400 will give us 1600. So d is 1600 and d is greater than 0. Therefore, given case is possible. Given case is possible. Now let us find the value of d. So here we can write x equal to minus b plus minus root d over 2a. X equal to, b is 0 because there is no x, so minus 0 plus minus square root of 1600 over 2a. A is 1, so this will give us x equal to plus minus square root of 1600. Square root of 16 is 4 and square root of 100 is 10, so it will become 40 over 2. So this will give us x equal to 40 over plus minus, so there are two values, plus 20 and minus 20. Rejecting x equal to minus 20. Why? Because breadth cannot be negative, because breadth cannot be negative. Breadth cannot be negative. Therefore, breadth is equal to how much? Breadth of rectangular mango group is equal to 20 meters. And what is the length? Length is twice of that. Length equal to 2x equal to 2 into 20 equal to 40 meters. So this is the answer of third part. Exercise 4.4, question number 4th one. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48 years. So let's start this fourth one. Let the present ages of the two friends be x and 20 minus x years. Why? Because if we add these two, what we get is 20. When we add ages of both, the present ages of both the friends, we must get 20. So that is why we have taken x and 20 minus x years. Now according to given condition, therefore according to given condition we have what we are having, it says that 4 years ago the product of their ages in years was 48 years. So 4 years ago, here it is, 4 years ago the product of their ages in years was 48. So 4 years ago means present age of one friend is x. So 4 years ago it will be x minus 4 multiplied by, and 4 years ago the age of another friend will be 20 minus x minus 4, and if we multiply them we must get 48. So this will imply x minus 4 multiplied by 20 minus 4 is 16. 16 minus x equal to 48. So let us solve this one further. 16 into x, 16x minus x square minus 4 into 16, that will be minus 64, and minus into minus, so plus 4x equal to 48. Now let us add the like term. 16x plus 4x will give us 20x. So minus x square plus 20x minus 64, and this 48 will bring to the right side, so minus 48 equal to 0. So this will give us minus x square plus 20x. This on addition, 8 and 4 added will give us 12, 6 and 4 is 10, so this will give us 112. So minus 112 equal to 0. Now let us find the value of d. D equal to b square minus 4ac. So this will give us equal to, b is here 20, so 20 square minus 4 into a is minus 1 and c is minus 112. So this will give us square of 20 is 400. So minus minus plus, and this again is minus. So minus, and 112 into 4 will give us minus 448. So total will be minus 48, and that is less than 0. So that means, therefore, given case is not possible. So this is the solution of fourth one, question number 4. Exercise 4.4, question number 5. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? If so, finds its length and breadth. So let us do question number 5th one. For that, first we'll draw a rough figure, rough sketch. So this is our rectangle, and what is given to us is the area is how much? Area is 400 meter square and the perimeter is 80 meters. So area is here 400 meter square, and nothing is given about the length and breadth. So let the length be x meters and the breadth be y meters. And what is given is that the perimeter means 2 times of x plus y. 2 of x plus y is equal to, the perimeter is here 80 meters. So 2 into x plus y will be equal to 80. Now let us solve further. Let, if possible, we have to write if possible because we are not sure whether the case is possible or not. So let, if possible, length of the rectangle, length of the rectangular park, length of the rectangular park, length of the rectangular park equal to x meters, length of the rectangular park equal to x meters, and breadth equal to y meters. Therefore, according to given condition, we have the perimeter is 80 meters. Therefore, we will have 2 into x plus y equal to 80, and this will give us x plus y equal to 40, and this further will give us y equal to 40 minus x. So this let be 1. And the second one, what is the area? From the figure you can see that it is 400 meter square. So area equal to 400 meter square. Therefore, and we know what is the area of a rectangle is L into B. So here L is x and B is y. So xy equal to 400. Therefore, x into y is 40 minus x, and that equal to 400. Solving this further, we will get 40x minus x square equal to 400. So this will give us minus x square plus 40x minus 400 equal to 0. Why we have written minus x square first? Because always you have to write a quadratic equation standard form. So first x square term should be there, then x term, and then the constant. So now what we'll do is we'll find the value of d. D equal to, in questions of this type where it is written whether it's possible or not, always find d. Even if splitting of the middle term is possible, you have to solve it only by using quadratic formula, and before that you have to find the value of d. So d equal to b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac, so that is equal to b is here 40, so 40 square minus 4 into a is minus 1 and c is minus 400. So this will give us equal to d equal to square root of square of 40 is 1600 minus, so this is minus plus and minus, so this is again 1600, so d equal to 0. So if d is 0 or if d is greater than 0, in both cases the given case is possible. Therefore we will say that therefore given case is possible, given case is possible, and what is the value of x? X equal to minus b plus minus root d over 2a, so equal to minus b. So what is our b here? B is 40, so minus b will be minus 40, minus 40 plus minus root of d. D is 0, square root of 0 over 2a. What is a? A is minus 1. You can see that a is minus 1. So 2 into minus 1. So x will be equal to minus 40 over minus 2. And this will give us 20. So therefore x equal to 20. And what is y? Y equal to 40 minus x. That is 40 minus 20 equal to 20 meters. Is also 20 meters. So what we are getting, the length is x is the length, so length is 20 meters, and y is the breadth. Breadth is also 20 meters. So the rectangle will be in fact a square. The rectangle will be a square. Rectangle will be a square. Will be a square. So this is our solution of question number 5.